Hello everyone, this is Christian and you are welcome back to the Don't Have channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can run your React Native project on your physical device. So whether you are using Android or iOS device, I'm going to show you how you can run your React Native project on them. Alright, so we are first going to start our server, okay? Which I'm going to do that by just click on this plus button to open my terminal and I'm going to type npx expo start. And I'm going to press enter. So this is going to start our Metro bundler for us. Alright, so whilst we are waiting for our Metro bundler to get ready, let me take you through the installation of the app. Okay, so this is my physical device as you can see, and I already have Expo installed here. But if you don't have, you can go to Play Store or App Store and then download it. Okay, so when I come here, I'll just type Expo. Okay, so Expo Go, right? But yeah, Expo is also fine. So as you can see, I already have it and you can install it. Okay, and once you are done, you have it and then you can click on it. All right, so this is how the Expo looks. Okay, and once your Metro bundler is ready, for which ours is also ready, what you have to do is just click on the scan QR code and then you are to just scan the QR code. So I'm just going to open our terminal so that you can scan our QR code. Okay. All right, so as you can see at the top there, building, and it's showing the percentage of the building, right? So once it's done, the splash screen will go off and then you can see our app, right? Okay, so I'm just going to allow. Okay, allow, right? Yeah, so this is the app. Looks nice, right? Don't worry, I'm going to do a video on how I got it done. Okay, so for now, we've been able to show or run our React Native project on our physical device, okay, with the help of Expo Go. And I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, kindly click on the subscribe button, like this video, share with friends, and let me know in the comment section how important this video was to you and how it's really helped you. So for this and more, see you in the next video.